everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a pretty simple program. We're going to save list data or list elements to a TXT file on the desktop. So first let's just create our program. So it's going to be list data, I'm going to call it. Then I'm going to create a path to my desktop. That's where I'm going to create the TXT file. So my desktop path is C users mark desktop. Your desktop path will be different from this, so you will have to find your own unique desktop path. So os.chdr, and we're going to change to this path here. Okay, so we should be in this path now. Now I'm going to create sorry, a list here. So that's going to be Bob, Bill, and Joe. So that's our list. Now all we have to do is create the text file. We do it with open, give the text file a name, which is simply going to be list data.txt. That's the name of the text file. Now we give it a flag, the W flag, to create the file and to write to it if we need to, or if we want to. I'm not going to this time. As file object. Right, now we use the for loop to go through the list. So for D in data. Okay, so we're going to go through there, and then we're going to use the file object here. File object dot write. So we're going to write to the file. We're going to write, that's wrong, sorry, that should be file object. So we're going to write the data from the list to the file, and once we've done that, we're going to tell the user what we've done and where we've saved it. So print, and we're going to have to interpolate the path into there. So file saved here, and that's simply going to be path. Okay, so the last thing to do is to call the program, and that's simply going to be list data, like that, save, and let's run the program. Okay, we've got a little bit of an error going on there, so let's just check this out. Okay, very simple. I should have put D in there. Okay, let's save it and let's run it now. Okay, so it's telling us the file has been saved to the desktop, so let's make sure that's true, and it's down here. Let's have a look, and you can see all the elements from the list in there. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.